So I really don't think conditions look that great. In fact, the wave interval is like 5 to 7 seconds or less. It's really rough. There's constant whitewash. But for barred perch or croaker, they sometimes like this sloppiness. Oh, nice perch. Alright, good sized perch. Nice perch. Oh, lost it. Oh, that might be a Corbina. That might be a Corbina. There was one out there. All right, that's a nice sized Corbina. Alright, so for some tough water conditions, I still got some good barred perch. Those surf perch were about 11 inches. I got a few smaller ones about palm size. And then I hooked 2 Corbina, landed the one 17.5 inches, and then the other one popped off as I was trying to get it. That one was about 15 inches. But overall, the season is here, springtime, it's time to get out and start fishing.